Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to my channel. This is the first video in my van build series for my brand new custom built 2024 Ford Transit. It is the medium roof 148 wheelbase 250 with EcoBoost all-wheel drive and a lot of other features along with it. So it is costing me a pretty penny. The van build is going to take a while, in short, because this is a very expensive project and I don't know exactly how I want the layout to be. I don't know exactly all the components that I want, but what I do know from car camping a lot out of my Mazda CX-5 is that it really helps if you sleep out of a car or a vehicle or whatever you're in for a while before you determine how you want the layout to be. So that is what I'm going to do. There are a few projects that I will be doing. For example, sound deadening. I have a floor. It's the Van Tread bed rug floor. It's just going to be temporary, not necessarily long term, but it's going to be for initial use. I also ordered the Vancillary overhead shelf that I'll be installing. I'm going to remove the whole headliner, soundproof up there, as well as add insulation. I am going to take the rail off of the slider door to black it out. I'm going to have it powder coated, and that's purely for looks. There are some things that I'm going to do just for looks. Another thing is that I'm going to paint the emblems, so the Transit 250, the all-wheel drive badges. I'm going to try out my favorite color at first. We'll see how it goes. If it doesn't work out, I'm just using Plasti Dip, which, if any of you know, it's a rubber coating, so I can just peel it off. Some other things that I will be doing are the bed. At least temporary, it may end up being long-term. I am going to use the IKEA Scorva bed beams, and the way that I will attach them is using extruded aluminum. If you are new to my channel, I really like to use extruded aluminum because it is extremely strong and lightweight. Not that I want to weigh my van down, but it is pretty compact and lightweight for what you get out of it. And that is very expensive, so I want to build up some income, hopefully from going camping out of my van. Okay, we overheated, so let me finish up. I will be building up some income through YouTube AdSense and my own income to help cover the cost of the van build. And so if you come to this playlist and don't see any new van build videos, it's probably because I'm out camping in the van with my adventure dog Ace, and possibly also my cat, who I used to take before I got a dog. And we will take it out, go on adventures, determine how I like things, where I like things. And behind me, you can kind of see a little bit of a sneak peek of those Scorva beams. They're not attached right now. I just wanted to see what they look like, but that's a little sneak peek of what is to come. And hopefully you will join me on this really exciting journey. I would be greatly appreciative if you did. And if you like camping, I will have some of those videos as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Before I forget, I want to point out that I'm getting currently 16 miles per gallon. I have put approximately, we'll be going on 180 miles that I've put on myself. And so we are also going to go get this weighed empty so we can see what the final build will weigh. For Philip, we have 470 miles to empty, and this is supposed to be the 31 gallon tank instead of the 26. So let's go get this sucker weighed. Before we end the video, I wanted to get the empty weight of the vehicle. So I filled it up. It was a little painful. It wasn't fully empty, but still a little bit painful. However, I'm getting 16 miles per gallon, so that's not too bad. And the empty weight came out to be 5,760 pounds. So that will be interesting to find out how much weight we add and how much this van is able to fully carry. We should be under it. Should be. So, all right, now back to the outro. Okay, I lied. One last thing. I looked up what the allowed gross vehicle weight is, and it's 9,070 pounds. And I did weigh the van without me in it. So we have a ways that we can go, but I'm sure certain things will make it add up quickly, like water and the battery system, because those will probably be two pretty components.